All right, so now we are going to begin writing paragraph 4 of the theoretical / conceptual foundation section. Now remember, you use the theoretical foundation if you're performing a quantitative study, and you use a conceptual foundation if you're conducting a qualitative study. Quantitative theoretical, qualitative conceptual. All right, so for paragraph 4, the first thing we're going to do is provide the rationale for the choice of this theory. Okay? All right. Provide a rationale for the choice of this theory. So this was paragraph 1. This was paragraph 2, paragraph 3. They are the same color because they cover both of the items in paragraph 2. Then we go to paragraph 4, which is this. Now, as mentioned above, attachment theory 3, 2, 1. As mentioned above, attachment theory proposes that the long-term effects of early experiences with caregivers are due to the persistence of internal working models, cognitive, affective schemas, or representations of the self in relation to close relationship partners. The mentioned representations impact a person's expectations, emotions, defenses, and relational behavior in all close relationships. Based on early experiences, individual internal working models are formed that are assumed to impact perceptions through life. Okay, they're slowly building a case as to why this theory was relevant for this study. Although the theory does not assume or require that internal working models persist without change across the lifespan, both theory and empirical evidence from longitudinal studies have led researchers to suspect that the effects of childhood attachment relationships extend into adulthood, where they can be seen in the domains of parenting and close peer relationships, including romantic relationships. So that's the tie, right? This study is focusing on marital relationships. So he made an argument, or she made an argument, Dr. Walker, it's a she, that attachment theory can be applied to romantic relationships. So she methodically built this argument to come to this final conclusion based on the research. All right, so that's the justification. So in paragraph 4, you're going to come up with a rationale that supports the use of this theory for your research study. Okay, so write chapter 4, supporting or providing evidence that your theory is appropriate for your study. Okay, and then we will move on to chapter 5. Not chapter 5, paragraph 5. That's what I meant to say, paragraph 5.